here with Gary Zlevor with Panduit. Gary, what are you featuring today?
We're featuring a new cable tie gun. Picking the right cable tie gun installation tool is extremely important. We've come up with a new system now that eliminates the snap at the end of the cable tie. Recoil system in this cable tie gun, when you pull a trigger, instead of it releasing, causing problems with carpal tunnel, this one has a resistance system in it that as soon as you pull, it's a steady release, eliminates the carpal tunnel issues, and a lot more effective, a lot easier on the hand to install cable ties.
Can I give that a try, Gary?
Absolutely.
Thank you. Oh, that is amazing.
Isn't it?
That is fun. And it holds the tail in the end.
Absolutely.
So you can get out of the enclosure and drop it in the bucket.
Yeah,
no
very
sharp
good.
edges. And if someone would like to see this demonstrated for themselves or purchase one for their own business use, where can they get this, Gary?
Well, I tell you what, I would encourage them to contact you, Doug, at WESCO and order some up. I'd be happy to demo them and get them to you. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you, Gary.
Yep.